asking for a raise.
Hi, Mark. Do you have a moment?
Hi, Anna. Yes, of course. What's going on?
I was hoping we could talk about something important. Is now a good time?
Yes, that's fine. We have some time. Please have a seat.
Thank you. I really appreciate you making time for me.
No problem at all. What would you like to talk about?
I've been thinking about my role here and how my work has developed over the last few months.
Okay, I'm listening.
I really enjoy working in this team, and I feel much more confident than when I started.
That's good to hear. You've settled in well.
Thank you. I've learned a lot, and I've tried to take more responsibility.
Yes, I've noticed that, especially with client communication.
I'm glad to hear that. I've been putting a lot of effort into those tasks.
It shows you've been reliable and consistent.
Because of that, I wanted to ask if we could talk about my salary.
All right, I appreciate you bringing this up directly.
I believe my performance has improved, and I feel I'm contributing more to the team now.
I agree that you've grown in your role.
That means a lot to me. I really care about doing my job well.
And that attitude is important.
I wanted to ask if a raise could be possible at some point.
That's a fair question. And it's good that you're thinking about your progress.
I understand that it may not happen immediately. I just wanted to have an open conversation.
Of course, these conversations are part of professional growth.
I didn't want to rush or pressure anyone. I wanted to be prepared and clear.
That's the right way to approach it.
I also want you to know that I enjoy working here and see myself staying long term.
That's very good to hear. Your commitment matters to us.
Could you tell me what I would need to focus on to move forward?
Yes, absolutely. That's a very reasonable request.
I'm open to feedback and ready to improve.
Overall, your work has been strong. Your reports are clear, and clients trust you.
I'm happy to hear that.
Going forward, I'd like to see you take more ownership of larger projects.
I understand. I've started doing that, but I know I can improve.
Exactly. You're on the right path.
Would it help if I took the lead on the next project?
Yes, that would be a great opportunity for you.
I'd be happy to do that.
If you continue working at this level, we can review your salary in the next quarter.
That sounds fair and motivating.
Let's set clear goals so you know what success looks like.
I would really appreciate that. Clear goals help me focus.
Great. I'll send you a summary after this meeting.
Thank you. That makes things very clear.
Do you have any other questions or concerns?
No, I think we covered everything. I feel much better now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you for listening and for your honest feedback.
You're welcome. And thank you for being open and professional.
I appreciate that. I'm looking forward to the next steps.
Me too. Keep up the good work.
I will. Thanks again, Mark.
Anytime, Anna.